same boat. We can all believe what we believe. Peacefully agree to disagree. But you can't judge a man until you walk a country mile in his shoes. Do-do-do-do. We're all in the same boat, fishing in the same hole, wonder where the same time goes, and money too. Trying to fix the same broke hearts, wishing on the same stars. We all hoping hope floats. We're all in the same boat. We all been kicked and knocked around, but you ain't gonna keep a good man down. You can run like hell from your mistakes, but you can't hide from your truth. Do-do-do-do. We're all in the same boat, fishing in the same hole, wonder where the same time goes, and money too. Trying to fix the same broke hearts, wishing on the same stars. We all hoping hope floats. We're all in the same boat. If you're holding, take those shots and keep reloading. If you can't be nice, don't say nothing at all. So help somebody, mind been struggling, spread a little love. Gotta give back something if the ship keeps rocking. We'll all go overboard. We're all in the same boat, fishing in the same hole, wonder where the same time goes, and money too. Trying to fix the same broke hearts, wishing on the same stars. We all hoping hope floats. We're all in the same boat. Yeah, we're all hoping hope floats. We're all in the same boat.
Hi there, how are you? Today I'm doing the dancing boat. 32 count formal improver. Intro 16 count. There is a text of 2 count seconds at the end of all 6. This is 6 o'clock. Now the dance. First section, weight in the left, start with your right. Kick, step, kick. Side touch, quarter forward, quarter side. Sailor quarter cross. Next section, forward diagonal, touch, diagonal back, behind, side, cross, mirror, forward, touch, back, behind, quarter forward. Next section, walk, mambo step, back, coaster step. In section 3, there is an option for mambo. Now section 3, walk, forward, half turn, back, coaster step. The last section, toe, heel, cross, rocking chair, rock, recover, back, recover, forward, quarter. Now the count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The option in section 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. The last wall starts at 9 o'clock. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, just step behind, and this is the ending. So this is the whole dance. Hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.